If you're looking for a budget wireless lavalier microphone that you can use for your YouTube videos or pretty much almost everything else, then the KIMAFUN KM-G130-1 is an excellent deal. Back then, wireless microphones were relatively expensive, but now you can get this whole package for a low price, which we'll talk about later. So as you can see, this is the full package that you will get when you purchase it, and to be completely honest, it looks very nice. You have this high quality hard case, and inside it, you have everything that you need here to make it work. First of all, you have the microphone here, which is connected to the transmitter, as well as the receiver here that you'll plug into your smartphone or laptop. We also have the charging cable here that is pretty convenient, since this single USB will charge both the transmitter and the receiver simultaneously. Then, you also have the belt pack so that you can clip it on yourself. Next, you have a splitter for your laptop, as well as one for your smartphone, which I think is a nice thing to have in this package. A spare windscreen foam is included, as well as a 6.35mm adapter for instruments and other devices. Lastly, you have the user manual and a thank you card from KIMAFUN. Overall, I think that this is a really great package, and you're probably thinking about the price, which is only $49.99 if you check it on Amazon. I'll put the links in the description down below so that you can buy it if you want. Now that we're done with the unboxing, how do you use the microphone? Well, first, you need to charge it. Just plug the USB cable to any 5V 1 to 2 amp charger and plug the micro USB connectors to the transmitter and the receiver. As you can see, it will display a red light when charging, and once it's finished, it'll turn off. Let's start with how to use it on your smartphone. First, get the receiver and plug it in the microphone port of the splitter, then plug it in the headphone jack of your phone. Then, turn on both the transmitter and the receiver at the same time. You will see a blue light flashing on both of them, and once they have connected, the blue lights will stop flashing, which means that it's successful. Then, let's move on how to use it on a Windows laptop or PC. To use the microphone, you can actually do it in two different ways. The first one is by using the phone splitter. Just make sure that your laptop or PC has a single port in which you plug it in. Connect the receiver to the splitter, then turn on both the transmitter and the receiver. Now, you can right-click on the sound icon on the taskbar, then click on Sounds. Go to the Recording tab, and there you can check if it's working or not. And for the second method, you can use the laptop splitter, which you'll plug into any USB port that you have. Connect the receiver and turn on both of them. Now that you know how to connect them, let's listen to some raw audio samples that I recorded on my phone using the KIMAFUN KM-G130-1. Alright, so this is the sound of the microphone when I'm indoors, so you can probably hear that clear and crisp sound. And I think that even if you paid for like $40 for this microphone, the transmitter and the receiver, just those, those parts of this package, I think that it would still be a relatively good deal. So for $49.99 with all that pack, all that accessories, the splitter and the belt pack, the case, pretty much everything, it's a really good deal, and I recommend you guys to purchase it. Links are in the description below, please check that out. And now let's move on to the next sample. Alright, so I am outside right now, and you can probably still hear that the sound is clear. You can probably hear some sounds as well outside. Still, I don't think it's a major problem at all. So I also have the windscreen, by the way, which is the recommended thing to do. You should always have your windscreen foam on the microphone at all times. So yeah, this is the video, and this is the sound test of the microphone. Let me know what you think about the sound in the comments below. So yeah. If you didn't notice, I actually recorded all of the audio in this video using this microphone, which is quite impressive in my opinion. It has the right amount of bass and treble so that you can hear voices more clearly. It has low latency, and honestly, I was greatly impressed at the quality of not just the sound of the microphone itself, but also the accessories that come with it. Overall, I think that this is one of the best deals that you can get right now. So if you're looking for a budget wireless microphone that also comes with high quality accessories, as well as the most important thing, which is good audio for the price. Also, links to buy it are in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. That's it. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 600 subscribers. Stay well, my friends. Goodbye.